chance of rain in the evening, then chance of rain and snow overnight. Lows in the lower 30s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Monday, much colder. Partly sunny with a 40% chance of rain and snow. Highs in the lower 40s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Chance of snow in the evening. Lows in the mid-20s. Chance of snow 30%. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 12 NOAA weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. This is Weather Radio.